How to fix Messenger login error on Messenger. Today guys, I'm gonna show you the correct way how to fix this. Just watch this video until the end. So let's start. First guys, you will just go and open Messenger settings of your phone, sorry. Then you will go to apps or applications, and on apps or applications you will search for Messenger. When you found Messenger like this, just open it and go to storage. Open storage and go to clear data. Click on clear data and click OK, and that's it, your problem will fixed. So I hope this video is useful for you. Do not forget to like and subscribe in our channel, and see you in another videos.